Ever found yourself staring at those satisfying profits on your TradingView chart, a little voice whispering, "Wouldn't it be nice to actually have that money?" You're not alone. While TradingView is an incredible platform for analysis, charting, and even placing trades with integrated brokers, the crucial step of actually getting those funds into your bank account isn't done directly through TradingView itself. Think of TradingView as the cockpit of your trading journey. It gives you all the instruments and controls you need to navigate the markets. But when it's time to land and collect your earnings, you need to interact with the airport, in this case, your brokerage account. So, the real question isn't how do I withdraw from TradingView, but rather, how do I withdraw from the brokerage account that's connected to my TradingView? This is a key distinction, and understanding it will save you a lot of potential frustration. TradingView, in its core functionality, doesn't hold your funds. When you connect a brokerage account, like Interactive Brokers, Binance, or others, TradingView acts as a front-end interface, allowing you to execute trades through your broker's infrastructure. Your money resides securely within your chosen brokerage account. Therefore, the withdrawal process will always happen through your broker's platform, not directly within TradingView. Each brokerage firm has its own specific procedures for withdrawals, but there are some common steps you can expect. First, you'll need to log in directly to your brokerage account. This will typically be through their website or their dedicated mobile application. Look for a section labeled something like Withdraw Funds, Transfers, or Cash Management. Once you've found the withdrawal section, you'll likely be asked to specify the amount you wish to withdraw and the destination for the funds. This could be your linked bank account, a different bank account you've previously verified, or potentially other withdrawal methods like e-wallets, depending on your broker's offerings and your region. You might also be required to go through a verification process, especially for larger withdrawals or if you haven't withdrawn funds before. This is a standard security measure to protect your money and may involve confirming your identity through email, SMS, or even a two-factor authentication code. Keep in mind that withdrawal times can vary significantly depending on your broker, the withdrawal method you choose, and even the time of day or week you initiate the request. Some withdrawals might be processed within 24 to 48 hours, while others could take several business days. Be sure to check your broker's policies on processing times. Also, be aware of potential withdrawal fees. Some brokers charge fees for certain withdrawal methods or for exceeding a certain number of free withdrawals per month. These fees can eat into your profits, so it's always a good idea to understand your broker's fee structure beforehand. So, while you can't directly click a withdraw button within TradingView and see the money magically appear in your bank account, the platform plays a vital role in your trading success. It's the tool that helps you identify those profitable opportunities in the first place. Just remember that when it's time to cash out, your brokerage account is the destination. Familiarize yourself with your broker's withdrawal process, understand any associated fees and timelines, and you'll be able to access your trading profits smoothly and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.